What is going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and today we're going to run through some cases for the Pixel 3a XL. I do have my tempered glass on here, so I want to first shout out none other than Unicorn Beetle for hooking up the cases and the review. So we're going to just take a quick second, try to take no more than 5 minutes of your time, and we're going to run through these. So it looks like they sent over a pink one for the ladies or the fellas. So these have the screen protector built in. So I'm going to try one of these on here. Looks like I got two of these. I got a blue one too. So one for the ladies and one for the fellas. You already know. All right. You definitely put this part on first, and it gives you the instructions, you know what I'm saying, to be sure to pull from that corner. Let me go ahead and take off the inner screen protector. I'm glad they make it a little bit more simpler now and easier to get some of these screen protectors off, because it's a headache sometimes. So popping this on, this goes on. It actually works with a tempered glass installed, because I do have a tempered glass on here. So you put it in like that, and then you drop it down inside of here. And you can see the ports will line up. This actually feels pretty good. I could actually rock this one, man. Not the pink, but I'm just saying. Yeah, so you got the sloping design here for the fingerprint reader. Then you've got the cutout there for the camera, power button, nice and tactile. I think they made some upgrades to this case, man. They had to. Let's take a look at the blue one. We're not going to put the blue one on, but we'll take a look at it. And obviously you get the instructions, but you also get the case here, the belt clip. So Pixel 3a owners, this might be one that you like, man. Yeah, it's nice. All right, let's just take a quick gander at the blue one. And this is how it looks, man. Really nice. This is the big dog, the Unicorn Beetle. Really, really nice. Really nice. So let's set this off to the side. And then we're going to get into two other cases. So remember, they give you the instructions to pull from there, and you're good to go. Pop it off. Done. Very nice. Very nice. Subcase Unicorn Beetle on deck. Yes, it's really nice. Yeah. All right, so we're going to put this to the side. We're going to take a look at the other two cases, two of my favorites. Let's put these over here. So first, I'm going to rock out. Booyah! There it is right there. I have a link to these in the description so you can purchase yours. Whew. That's beautiful. They got the pull tabs down here. Very nice, very nice. Let's put this joint on. You can still show off your Pixel. Very nice, very nice. This is probably one of my favorite cases. You guys know I have this on for every phone. And I like what they're doing here for the Pixel 3a XL. This is just a good drop protection case, man. I know these are drop protection cases, but this one right here is for the person that wants some drop protection, but you just don't want to do a whole bunch. You know what I mean? This is nice. All the ports and everything line up. Really, really nice. Feeling it. Lots of lip protection, even though I have a tempered glass on there. So now it's time to break out one more here. This is probably going to be my favorite because it's going to match the Pixel very well. Look at that. Same case in blue. And with the phone being white, oh yeah, you already know. All right, let's get this off here. All right, give it a little wipe down. Pop it in. This blue one is fire. Yes, sir. Boom, that looks clean, man. It looks clean. Straight up and down, that looks good, folks. I think I'm gonna rock with this one. They have come through. They have come through. You gotta get that. You gotta get a nice bright wallpaper on there. Let's put it up like this. Use my same wallpaper and just move it up like that. That looks good, don't it? Anyway, it's your man Jay. Wow, they came through. It's a spot for a lanyard right there too. Power button. These cases for this phone feel a little bit different. It's like they upgraded it or something. The buttons are very tactile. It doesn't take much to get them to work. That's pretty nice, man. I'm feeling that. So what do you guys think about the Subcase Unicorn Beetle setup? Very nice lineup right here. I appreciate them hooking up these cases for review. Maybe I'll get on Twitter and maybe let you retweet and give away these 2 cases over here because I'm definitely rocking with the blue. We'll see. Follow me on Twitter, ladies. I definitely can rock with this one for you. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.